So, hi Rajesh, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Just give me a sec. Just give me a second. Yeah, just give me a second. Oh,
Okay.
one moment. Okay. Let me
Yeah.
just a second.
For example, in that name column, there is the first name and last name with the
Just just
combine
just
of the
just
first name and last name.
just a second. Just a second. Okay. Just give me a second. Okay. So yeah.
The name contains first name and last name.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let me close all this. Yeah. So yeah. Now go ahead. What is your doubt?
The name contains with the first name and last name. Sometime entry happen with the suppose that the name is Rajeshwar Rayapati. So sometime they enter the Rajeshwar Rayapati like that. And another time they entered as a Rajeshwar Rayapati, something like that. Rayapati Rajeshwar, something from first name and last name different with the cases. Is there any chance to clean that data into the Tableau?
Wait. You are saying in the names, first name and names, last name got interchanged,
Yeah.
and you want to clean that. Like you want to
Yeah.
identify that record.
Yes. But that I can go with that grouping by each and but that there is the 5 lakh row of the data. So is there any automatic function is there to clean the
No,
data?
direct automatic function is not there because that is present in two different names, right? So, and again identifying that record, you can do one thing.
Okay.
You can like first identify this is if your customer name, right? I'm going to split this. Just a moment. I'm going to split this, right? Now I got my customer name one and customer name. It's first name and last name. I got my first name and last name. Then what you can do is you can reverse this, right?
Okay.
Like I'm writing a calculation field where I'm bringing this one first and I'm adding a space and I'm bringing this one. This is custom name, right? Now compare both, right?
But
Because
it changes all the data, right?
button,
Suppose there is the uh, first name is Aran Bergman, right? So when we interchange that, it will obviously interchange with the customer
yeah,
name set.
Bergman.
That means the last name comes to the first name.
Yes,
But at the same time, the previous row also will change the same like that, last first name to the last name.
previous row
Suppose
also
in
will
that my
change.
scenario, there is the name called as Pawan Ankireddy. First name, when we split into the column, first name comes to the Pawan, second name comes to the Ankireddy, right? So at the same time, there is the second record as the Ankireddy Pawan.
No,
If
here,
you use
here,
that split, it will obviously split the same like that, right?
yeah, but here when you are equating, if I'm equating this with this, right? Whatever I get is the column. Now, if this is coming true, then that is the row which is having those duplicate record, right? You want to remove that, right?
Hmm.
Now, if you filter this out, then obviously you are filtering. Now, whether the other thing is changing or not is not our concern, right? Our concern is whether when you interchange them, can we equate them or not? Is our concern, right? Okay, I'm a bit confused in here. Let us take a sample for that. This is first name, and this is last name. So now when this is the case, you need to identify these two records separately. Like the other column, like your actual column is this one, right? Okay, when this is the case, you want to identify these two.
That's it.
Okay. If I split this, I am getting this. If I reverse it and add it, it will not show for this. To do that, now in here, what if, not this, what if I try to find if any of my first name is present in my second name, right? Like find, no, this is also not possible because it will only search for that string level. It will not search for the whole column. So, you want it. Then, not even using regular expressions, I don't get it. If I split them also, it is not going to help. First name reverse to the to get that customer hook, if you have, then to get that. Okay, let me think over this. I'm not getting any direct solution as of now.
Okay.
I'll get back to you on this. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. Any other doubts, guys?
Yeah, hi Rajeshwar, good morning. I have a small doubt.
Yeah.
Yeah, is there any special feature in Tableau to make single column as a clickable while performing URL actions?
No.
or else
Single
do they have?
column as URL when you
Yeah. For example, this customer name, if you, I want to, if I click on this particular customer name, it will redirect it to the web and will fetch the
that is
required.
there. That is there.
Yeah, but here what happened? No, the other column also, when you click on that column, it will be redirecting to the same record.
It will,
So we
because
want to.
see, URL action is not confined to columns, but it is confined to the sheet.
Yeah.
So in that case, you have to take two different sheets, just place
Okay.
one beside the other, and then in this sheet you should apply URL action, and the next sheet you don't apply that action. That way you can.
Okay.
Because URL action, any action, like except for parameter action, not even parameter is also same. They are applied at the sheet level, not at the
Okay.
columnar level.
Okay. But we don't have any special feature to make that
No
single
direct
column.
feature in Tableau.
Okay, fine. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Any other doubts, guys?
Yes, Rajeshwar.
Yeah.
Anusha here.
Hi.
You helped me with the video in the last class, right?
Yeah.
Regarding the 2 bars, side-by-side bars and 1 line chart. That worked, and I have prepared the chart. But the thing is, if I go to any empty sheet or in the same workbook, we are using the shading option, right?
Which shading option?
Shading. In analysis, we are using shading option. We are shading to white.
I didn't.
No, in format.
In format.
This shading.
Okay.
Shading and font, we are taking in white color font.
Okay.
So this is applicable to all the sheets by default. This is applied to all the sheets by default. If I'm going to new sheet, it is showing blank. If I take any columns also.
I think you need to share your screen. I'm not getting what you're saying.
Okay.
But it should not be your office data. Should be. See, the point is when here, if I'm making any shading, anything I'm applying here, that same will not get applied. Supposedly, if I'm making this a black, if I go to a new sheet, it is again different, right? It will not get applied to this. This is individual to this sheet.
But in my case, it is applicable, not this one, font size.
I think then you are changing font size at this level. Did you change it this level?
No, I changed the sheet level.
No, for the individual sheet level, right?
Yes.
Yeah, font. Okay, I think you are changing at the worksheet level. If you are changing, supposedly if I am changing it to 14, right? Here, if I come, it is again 9, right? So I need to see what you are doing to understand why you are getting that issue.
Okay, now I can't share for now. Let
Yeah.
me check again. If possible, I will share with tomorrow's class.
Okay. Okay. Any other doubts, guys?
One more thing, I have a calculation suggested by my client that calculating the last 13 weeks average by using the current week plus past 12 weeks average divided by 13.
Divided by the
13.
Okay.
I didn't get the point when he mentioned this calculation. Just he suggested this and asked me to use this in the sheet against the measure. So how can I use this in the sheet?
The sheet, I didn't get it again.
If I have to show an aggregation value like profit.
Now see,
sum of this by sum of.
if you want to get the last 13 weeks, last time we discussed about getting that last 13 weeks, right?
Yeah, that is fine. And he's asking to add this calculation in the other sheet.
Then you want to divide it by 13, then just take a sum of that calculation and divide it by 13 manually, because he wants only 30. That is not going to change, right? 13 is going to stand the same. I think I'm not getting what you're asking.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, Rajesh.
I am not sure. Like you, when you got the whole value, all you need to, in order to get an average, you need to divide it by 13, right? 13 is static. He's saying last 13 weeks, right? So you can divide
Yes.
that by number 13 and you can get it directly. No complication in that. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Any other doubts,
Hi.
guys? Yeah.
Rajesh, good morning. I have a doubt. I mean, it's the very first session I'm joining. I think from tomorrow I will be joining regularly. There is a scenario. Can you share the screen if at all possible now?
Just.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead. Make sure it's not your office work.
Sorry?
Like this is live streamed, so make sure if this is not something.
No. This is I have I just created some duplicate thing.
Okay.
I mean, in my personal thing itself.
Okay.
This is like you can see here, right? 2023 data here. Here, instead of this, they are asking in the serial number format. I mean, this is the calculation actually.
Okay.
This is showing the after using the filter. This is the break calculation. Suppose for this is Chennai warehouse. This is the warehouse code and item code. Their requirement now is like they don't want the item code here, but they want this total 3 as a number.
I didn't get you. What is 3?
In the Chennai warehouse, there are 3 things which are under the break, right? Break.
Oh, you want that count?
Yeah, count. I want
Just
count
take
as 3.
total, write a calculation.
But this is actually already this is a calculation.
Doesn't matter. Write a calculation.
Yeah.
Total of count distinct of
Distinct.
count distincts.
Yeah.
Item code. Whatever.
But they don't want item code now over there.
They want how many item codes, right? That is the count they want.
Yeah, correct.
That is what I'm doing, right? Okay. Bring that to the text there. Okay, this is a live connection.
If I remove the item code also, it will be visible then?
Wait.
It's coming as an individual.
Wait. Right click on the Rayapati on the field.
Yeah.
Edit table calculations. And in that, come to specific dimensions. Now check item code as well. Wait, why is it? Why are you? Oh, you have. Okay, it is taking the filters also, like whatever you have filtered into consideration.
Yeah.
It is showing the total item codes.
Yeah.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, write another calculation.
Once can I change that filter?
Pardon?
Can I remove this?
Yeah, you remove that. That is not required because this is a table calculation. Write another calculation. Include. Wait a minute. Include. You will not have item code in the view, right? You will not have item.
Yeah. Correct.
Okay. Include item code.
One second.
Include item code. Wait. Include colon.
Yeah.
Colon. Count distinct of item code. Right, let's check with that. Okay. Now bring that in here. I think you missed the ending flower brace.
Yeah.
No, not that. Ending flower brace.
Sorry, I missed it.
Yeah. Okay.
I think you're running out of time, so I'm a little bit hurry.
Yeah, no issues. Be cool. Drag that. Not that. RAY. This is other calculation. Right? ऊपर उसके above Rayapati. Yeah. That to text. What is this giving? 1. Now remove item code. Again, how much you are getting?
This is getting some huge number actually.
Why are you getting 380? You should have got 3, right?
Yeah.
Can you bring item code back again?
And one more thing here, we don't have data in CH01 itself, warehouse code. Only CH04 we have the data. Whenever we are removing the item code here, it's some kind of doing the mix-up kind of thing. Let me show you. Suppose if I remove item code from here,
okay,
CH01 is also adding into that.
You can filter that item code. Show filter.
No, wait. Why is that getting added? Can you do a Control Z once? Can you go for a Control Z? Again, the year that is not visible.
Rajeshwar, you got the requirement, right? Like here, they meant requirement is like we need to remove the item code from here, first thing.
Yeah.
Second thing, in the Chennai CH04, the total number, whatever this break count, has to be 3. Why? Because here there are 3. So they just want the 3 below to this 23. I mean, below to the year.
I got that.
If at all in CH05,
okay.
in 2020.
But when you remove that, why is that summing up to so huge thing?
Yeah.
Wait, AGG. Is that a table calculation?
Yeah, table calculation.
No, the filter.
Correct.
Okay, can you show me that calculation? Why did you use table calculation as your filter?
Yeah.
Okay, just a minute. No, when you are doing, see, that is the reason you are seeing those different values. You are doing it on a sum level, right? Sum is greater than or equal to 100. Now, when you are doing that, when you got your item code, right, you are having, there are multiple things that are coming under break, which are more than 100, right? Which are not more than 100 are getting filtered. But the moment you remove item code, right, everything is falling. Majority of the things are falling under. Now here CH04. In Chennai, you have only CH04, right? Close this. Close
but
the
thing is, like, I haven't used item code here, right?
No,
stop.
Doesn't matter. You have your measures will always adhere to your dimensions. And your calculation, whatever you have written, is based on your measure. So they will adhere to the dimension. Now, the whatever the value, break or good, that is being calculated. Okay, do one thing. Now, close this calculation. Bring that break FEFO break calc to the view next to item code. Yeah. Now you see you are seeing break, right? Now remove it from the filter. FEFO break calc from the filter.
If I remove it, there are
no issues.
things.
Remove.
Yeah.
You have to understand that. Now, if you see, you are seeing whatever good is there. Everything is going under good. Only for CH04 somewhere you are getting that break.
Correct. So they want, requirement is like we want only the break count.
But break count at item level again or without item code level?
Without item.
But then you will not get 3, right? Now see here, can you go to the other sheet, the back? Can you go back again? Yeah, in here if you see, the 3 that you are seeing is resultant of the filter that you have put.
Correct.
So now if you again the scenario itself is a bit complicated here. My point is, here again if you want, wait, again if you want to, wait, so at without item code level, whatever are greater than 100, their count do you want, right?
Yeah.
Okay, open that include once, that RAYA calculation, RAYA. Here, write a calculation after column if, after column.
Here.
Yes. If, what is that field? Sum of something you used in break calculation, right?
The calculation.
In that calculation, what is the field that you used?
Sum of category.
Stock.
Sum of
Category.
Yeah, bring that. No, don't again open that. This will go. Wait. You remember what you used there?
Stock quantity, yeah.
Yeah, use that sum of stock quantity. Sum. Then greater than 100. Make that as greater than 100. Greater than 100. Then last may end after count distinct item code, put and before the flower base. Yeah. Okay. Now apply. Okay. Now remove item code. No. That is what we changed. Keep that.
No. I thought of refreshing.
Yeah. Remove that FEFO break calc and item code both. So here under CH01 you have to go and cross check the items that are 380.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Item that are above 100 are 380. Go cross check that, and if that is not getting resolved, then we'll again discuss in the next talk session. Okay?
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Any other doubts, guys?
Rajeshwar, I have one question. There is one requirement. For example, in a superstore data, we have a sales, profit, quantity, and order. So if I select sales, so it should become like a profit.
Pardon?
When I select a profit, then it should become like a quantity.
I didn't get you. If you
select a sales, so I have marked as a filter, and in the filter I select a sales, so result shows as a profit. When I select a profit, then it should be give me a order of quantity something. Whichever measure is I select, next measure should become.
Next measure, no, not possible.
It's not possible.
Like you are saying, like somewhere I'm having this measure names and measure values. So here show filter. So if you are saying if you select sales, you need to see profit.
Yeah.
No, that is not possible. But You can write your calculation, you can name that as sales, but show profit in that. Like
Okay.
here I'm writing a calculation. I'm just naming it as sale, right? Okay. Right? I am here, it is sale, but when I select, it will give me profit. As straightforward as this. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we are at 10 o'clock. Any last doubt, guys? Anyone has any last doubt? We can take it. Else we can end the session. Okay, then again we'll meet tomorrow in the doubt session. Okay?
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you everyone. Have a great day. Hey, Dheeraj just joined. Dheeraj, do you have any doubt? We are about to end the session. Okay.
Yeah, Rajesh, sir,
Yeah.
can we show year to YTD, MTD in parameter and their calculations in our view?
Yeah, you can. YTD and MTD. Like
YOY, YOY and MOM.
Can we discuss this tomorrow? Tomorrow just come
Sure,
to the
sure.
session
Actually,
at 9:30 only. Okay?
Sure. Actually,
Okay.
it is
Tomorrow
late, I know.
come to the session at
Yeah.
9:30. We'll discuss this. Remind me. We'll take this question first. Okay?
Okay. Thanks,
Okay.
Rajesh.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you everyone. We'll again meet tomorrow. I think tomorrow is Saturday, right? Yeah. So after tomorrow, it will be on Monday evening. Okay. Thank you everyone. Have a great day.